2002 Ford Crown Victoria, 4.6 liter V8. He's an Army veteran. We appreciate his service. This is what we got done on it for him. Got factory converters there and there. Then it's got a factory H-pipe. And he wanted them clamped. He didn't want them welded, the fronts, for some reason. We said, okay, as you wish. And then what we did is we welded the back for him. And what these mufflers are, THRUSH mufflers, turbo mufflers, part number 17704. He brought them in himself, as you can see, and we welded the back for him. Right there and right there. Then the factory tailpipe stayed the same, everything else stayed the same. And he's got factory resonators on it on each side, there and there. Car is really good shape for the year. He's had it for a very long time. So we'll let you guys hear it in a second. Like always, guys, please like, comment, and subscribe. It's not that much. Not too much louder. Right there. Right at 87. Again. Ford Crown Victoria. What do you think? It's not much louder. I thought it was going to be louder. You thought it was going to be louder too? But at least you can hear it a little bit now. All right, go ahead and back it up. Let you guys hear on the inside.